Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 64.5 Ford Mustang. She's a convertible and she's amazing. I mean, this is the classic of classics. So it's going to be a little bit more shorter of a video today. Just want to kind of give you guys the overview. I mean, this showed up on the lot and it has already been snatched up. So even before I had a chance to get the video all put together, she's gonna be heading off the lot. I mean, just beautiful. Great condition, well maintained. You can tell how greatly it was cared for. You'll see as we get to the bottom and the trunk. Let's go ahead, open up the trunk real quick. Got the boot back here, spare tire, matches with the plaid, and everything is in great shape. Let's hop in here real quick, get the key set up, we can start this up. It is a manual, so you're really driving the car here. Man, I can never remember which way these keys. Half the keys go one way. Oh, wrong key. All right. Sounds great. Looks great. Beautiful black interior. All right, let's take a look under the hood. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this is an all original. Just sounds beautiful. Man, they still make them like they used to. I mean, somebody really took care of this. And I guess the other thing is, my generation, the younger generation, you know, just don't take care of things as well either. So, let's get this up on the hoist. Let's take a look underneath and see what it's looking like under there. All right, here we are. We got her up on the hoist and beautifully strong on the underneath. Everything looks to be well maintained. It's not overly redone. Looks like it might have been coated a couple years ago, but you can just tell the integrity of this whole car is beautiful. Just gorgeous. And it drives so well. Well, sorry, this is a short video. Just wanted to get it up there and show what we've got cooking here. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, and have a great day.